Preparing the fryer for frying. First, you must add oil to within about 1/8 of an inch of the oil level marked on the fryer. Note, this is the oil level mark, and we're just below it. The oil will expand during heating. We'll now close the cover but not lock it down, so it will heat up quicker. Preparing the food on the BT24 breading station is very simple. Piece of chicken, make sure that you pull the skin up so that there's breading all the way through into the breading, press down, toss, and then knock the extra breading off. And we're going to segregate by part because we load the fryer by part. We're folding the wing, as is the best way to fry a wing for consistency. We'll dust and then shake off the extra. Now with the leg again, we're going to pull the skin down into the breading, toss and press, tap for extra breading off, and we're organizing by part. With the thigh, we always break the joint on the thigh before breading, tossed into the breading and pressed, shaken off, and then segregated by part. The breast, try to pull the skin as best possible over the whole piece. Into the breading, push down, toss, push down, and then tap off the extra breading. Once using the breading, you'll have a beautifully ready to fry piece of chicken. Now we'll finish this bucket of chicken, and as you always will, as you fill a full fryer full of chicken, which could be up to 48 pieces of chicken before going to the fryer. I would turn on the fryer to fry, to allow the oil to heat up correctly for our fry. When preparing to cook, we start from below 150 degrees, which is the low setting on the manual thermostat control. We will take it to 225 degrees, preheat the oil, stir, and then take the oil to the cook temp, which we always cook at 325 degrees. Now we'll set the cook time. We're going to choose button A, and we're going to take it up to 15 minutes and 30 seconds. Hold A in till it beeps, and the time is set. When we go to cook, we'd hit start. In chicken, we'll make sure we lift the cover at this point. And now we're ready to go. The oil is at full cook. And number one, we're loading the thighs, and we're going clockwise, and it's down and away from your body. And the thighs take the longest to cook, so we're doing those first. And you'll notice it's a clockwise motion of dropping the chickens. Now the breast, number two. Again, the clockwise motion. Number three is the legs, down and away and clockwise. And lastly will be the wings. After loading it completely, we'll take off our rubber gloves and switch to our insulated gloves. We'll pick up the basket and shake and stir to make sure that everything is separated and the cover is lowered, locked in place, and spun around till the red knob is in line with the red knob. And note the pressure is up into the green zone. While it's cooking, make sure you clean your area well of breading and oil. "15 seconds before the chicken is ready, it will start to release steam, and there will be a beep. To stop the beep, push the alarm button. When the chicken has finished. Push down and release the pressure, and pushing the red knob all the way to the back and holding on the black handle until the top is all the way up, lifting the chicken and using the clip to hang the basket to make sure that the oil is dripping down into the pot. And we will check 4 pieces of chicken, and the temperature we're going for is 180 degrees Fahrenheit. All of the chicken looks good here. Put the glove back on. Take the hanging handle and the lower handle and dump the chicken into the LTS, hanging the basket back in the area. Now note how beautiful the chicken is, crisp and fresh, beautifully cooked. This has been the presentation of the FKM-F pressure fryer. For more information, please contact BKI directly at customer service 1-800-927-6887. Thank you.